I tried Thorchain wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I downloaded the Thorchain wallet app, I thought it would just be another Diffie tool with limited functionality. But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that Thorchain's wallet isn't just a place to hold tokens, it's a gateway to true cross-chain freedom. On day 1, I connected it to my crypto accounts, and almost instantly, I noticed something different. Unlike most wallets that lock you into one blockchain, Thorchain lets you swap native assets across chains, no wrapped tokens, no middlemen. You can literally swap Bitcoin for Ethereum directly, and it's all decentralized. Most people get this wrong, but here's why it matters. In traditional Diffie, swapping across blockchains usually means using synthetic version of your coins. Thorchain eliminates that risk by settling native transactions real bits for real ETH. That's a massive step toward interoperability. By day 3, I was experimenting with liquidity pools. Adding liquidity to Thorchain is simple, but what shocked me was the transparency. The interface clearly shows your returns, fees, and even impermanent lost data. It gives you control while still feeling intuitive. Midweek, I tested the mobile app and browser versions side by side, and both were clean, fast, and secure. I also appreciated that Thorchain wallet doesn't require kick or centralized accounts or keys, your control. However, it's not perfect. Transactions can take longer when networks are congested, and fees vary based on the chain you're using. Still, considering the tech behind it, that's a fair trade-off for complete decentralization. After 7 days, the shocking truth is this: Thorchain wallet isn't just another app. It's a symbol of what crypto was meant to be: borderless, decentralized, and user-empowered. If you've been frustrated by limited cross-chain swaps, this wallet might completely change how you move your crypto.